welcome back to the vlog. Woo, woo, woo.
So we're back at our lovely grocery store.
We love the grocery store. We're just always here.
We'll do another montage for you.
Yeah. Hey, so we're gonna make healthy meals.
Yeah, we're gonna make healthy meals for each other and have each other try the meals.
I haven't
maybe,
even
rate them.
I've never made my meal before. I'm just winging
No?
it. No.
Oh, this is one that I love. I'm making one that I really, really like. Let's head into the grocery
Yeah.
store.
Sarah has a list.
Looks sick.
Hello.
Going the wrong way, Henry.
Oh yeah.
Badass.
Sarah! This is like the 17th time I've lost her in the freaking grocery store. Sarah! I feel like I just passed her. Oh, there she is. I did just pass her.
Grocery haul. I'll do my stuff. Got some tri-color quinoa. This is for my meal. I got 2 black bean field. Chickpeas, that's for later. Cucumbers, also for later. 2 avocados. Celery, an apple, baby kale, and spinach.
Superfood duo.
Woo!
Just like us. Superfood
Ah. Wrap. And I got
The biggest fucking freaking. Can we swear on this?
we can start with this.
Models.
Sweet potatoes.
We do videos.
We're lemons because
We're sour sometimes. I don't know. Bitter? I'm not bitter about anything. I'm the smallest
ginger.
ever. So this is not for our meal, and this is super late. But we've never tried these before. I also got smart food, and I also got the
Straws.
legumes. That's in French.
We also got those in our last vlog, so go watch the last vlog.
Yes, I got a lemon and a lime. Mixed bean medley. Normally, I would make my own guacamole. I actually make a really mean guacamole, but we don't have time, so I just bought the mixed stuff. Got corn, canned corn, and tricolor quinoa, same as Sarah, because we are the same person. Woo!
We're trying a new scenery just because we're playing around. You ready? It's supposed to be like really hot for the challenge.
I don't know. People just say they really love them and they're spicy. Smell them?
Oh, they smell like what does that smell like?
Oh, the Tostitos, the lime ones.
Oh,
Right? Ah. I don't really like them.
they're weird. They go all over the place.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm like, wait, what? I'm done having like it's sour.
They're a little hot.
There's a lime. Oh yeah, they're just getting spicy now.
Tostito taste coming in and out.
Yeah, that's what I think I don't like. I keep looking over there. I think it's a fire hydrant, but it looks like a man sitting there. But I know it's not that.
Where? Oh, under that tree?
Mm-hmm. They're all right.
I don't know them.
7 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Uh-huh.
So I am making sweet potato black bean tacos. Sweet potato black bean tacos. It's gonna be really good. I used to make this all the time when I lived on my own, and this time now I am going to be adding avocado because I now like avocados, and at the time I didn't, even though the recipe said to put avocado on it. So now I'm gonna do it, and I'm excited, and I hope I remember exactly what I'm doing.
On it.
Got it.
Okay, so I'm making mine. It's a quinoa salad.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, it's a quinoa salad. I've never even cooked quinoa before, so it's gonna be really interesting. Quinoa, cherry tomatoes. What else? Corn, a bean medley, guacamole, sour cream, and then lemon and lime juice. And then you can put like hot sauce on it if you want, sriracha. So I'm making quinoa for the first time. That means you're making quinoa for the first time. So, oh. What? It says rinse and pick through before cooking. Pick through what? Why do I need to pick through it? What's in here? I'm not rinsing this. Can we Google the effects if you don't rinse quinoa? What happens if I don't rinse my quinoa? Let's see. I'll cut to the chase. Nothing happens if you don't rinse uncooked quinoa.
Chopped up my sweet potatoes. This is literally one potato, so that's awesome. I bought 3, but I don't do that. So now I'm going to season it. I put a lot on my sweet potatoes, and I don't fully remember what I put, but usually what I do is just go through my seasonings that I have, throw them on with some olive oil.
Ooh, look at this. Do you think brown comes from this? This was a nice avocado, and
it was perfect. Insert photo.
Shit. Is always washing your hands a million times. I'm serious.
Yeah, it is. These are my sweet potatoes.
This is time consuming.
I'm cutting everything.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put them in at 400, just cause I can't think. I think 375 will take too long. And I'm just gonna keep my eye on it.
Lambs, hams, unite.
Okay, now I'm gonna be using these black bean fiestas, which basically just have mild chipotle sauce with corn and peppers, which I don't think you can see it making it worse, but we got my black beans, my sweet potatoes, and her whole salad, which looks amazing. Look at this. Get a little close up here. They're playing. And this is our setup. So we have, this is just avocado with salt. This is salsa, guacamole, and sour cream. I'm excited for dinner. Thanks.
Almost just tripped over Charlie's toy. Please wait.
Guacamole and salsa on yours, and then I put avocado, which I've never actually had on mine, but it's recommended, and salsa.
I put sour cream on mine and guacamole, and then on my wrap I put salsa, sour cream, and avocado. And should we explain what these are?
Oh, yeah.
So,
Yeah, go
mine's quinoa, corn, bean medley, and cherry tomatoes. And it's all mixed up with lemon and lime, garlic powder, chili powder, and onion powder.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Mine's just sweet potatoes with a bunch of seasonings.
What, dude? You good?
Do you like it?
That is so good.
I don't know.
I do some tacos.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I really like yours. Mm-hmm. I like how you did it. I'll just hold it.
Mmm. The sweet potatoes are good.
Mm-hmm.
That's so good.
The sweet potatoes are always really good.
So good.
The Fiesta beans don't make it as good.
Really?
No.
What are it?
It gives it something.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's different.
This is the first time I had it, but I like it.
Yeah. I recommend putting black beans.
Me too then. I think I just...
We're sitting
Hi, Charlie.
we're sitting on the ground so Charlie can be in the video.
He's like...
Oh, he just sat on my lap. Alright, so we just ate our meals. They were so good.
So good. Honestly, so good.
Okay, so we're gonna rate them. So we'll rate yours first, the quinoa salad.
I think like out of what, 10?
Out of 10, yeah.
I think like a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Because I feel like it was missing just one thing.
Me too. Okay, I was gonna.
But I
put
don't
it-
know what. Like
It was-
meat maybe? Like chicken?
Yeah. I was gonna rate it at 8.5 because the exact same thing. I was like, I feel like I'm missing something. I didn't put the sour cream in it though, so it could have been that.
Now yours I rate. What did I give mine, a 9? I give yours also 9 because I really liked it. It's just the beans.
Yeah.
Why do you bite my hair, sir?
No, baby.
Yo.
Face the
Me
camera.
and Charlie are in a relationship now. Oh, I love him. I just want to play.
Hi, baby.
He's okay.
He's literally looking at me. He's like.
Yeah.
So, I would rate mine like a 7.
What?
Because I've
You're
had,
harsh.
No, because I've had it before.
Oh, you
and
know
it was
how good
way
it is.
different, and I just didn't like it. I usually don't even put it in a wrap, but I tried to do the original recipe this time.
Oh,
but
then.
I like mine better.
I
It's
think they were
simpler.
both 9.
Woohoo!
Oh,
Charlie wants some belly rubs. But that's it for today's video.
Yeah. Thanks for watching again.
Yeah, come back next time. We'll be back for sure. We have more ideas planned, and we're hopefully going to be posting frequently, but
Yeah. Oh, and you know what we should do next time is we'll put up Instagram. You know, like
Instagram
we should do.
polls
Yeah,
and-
yeah.
So if you want to interact with us on Instagram, you can maybe see some polls coming out and some questions.
Yeah. Fun ones.
Woohoo!
Crazy ones. And then we'll bring them up.
Yeah.
What a little peach. I can't handle him right now. Oh my god, you're so cute. Charlie, look how big this guy's paws are. This is gonna be a big boy.
He is 5 months old. He is an Australian Shepherd and a King Corso mix, which is like a super weird mix.
You're just pure love.
And he's pure love. And he's growing quick. He grew 16 pounds in 1 month. He's gonna be a big boy. Big boy coming.
Big boy.
Big boy Charlie. Alright, well,
Oh, he wants to get up. Okay.
see you next
Bye.
time. Bye.